Midpoint theorem says if M is the midpoint, remember midpoint means middle point, of AB, then AM is congruent to MB. So if we look at the first example, M is the midpoint of segment JL, which means JM is congruent to ML. As we talked about before, if they're congruent, they're also equal. And once they're equal, we can substitute in the expressions. 6x plus 7 and 4x plus 5. Solving, let's subtract 4x from both sides. Subtract 7 from both sides. And divide. X equals -1. It also asks us to find Jm. So we're going to take our x and plug it in for the expression. 6 times -1 is -6. -6 plus 7 is 1. Jm equals 1. We're going to change this problem just a little bit now. Cross off this part and add in right here for PQ 10x minus 7. All right, now with that information, see if you can set up the equation similar to the last one. Pause the video and take a moment. All right, so you should have PQ is congruent to QR, which means they are equal, and we can substitute in the equation. If you haven't yet, pause the video and try to solve the rest of this equation. All right, so to solve, we add 3x, add 7, and divide. Solving for x. Done.